When prices keep climbing and your dollar buys less, how do you keep your savings from shrinking? For centuries, gold has been one of the most trusted answers. Inflation quietly eats away at your purchasing power, meaning the money you have saved buys less over time. Gold, however, has a long track record of holding its value when paper currencies lose theirs. The Why Precious Metals Guide points to periods like the 1970s when high inflation sent gold prices soaring, helping investors protect their wealth. Unlike cash, which can be printed endlessly, gold is finite, and that scarcity often drives demand in uncertain times. That's why many investors see gold not just as an asset, but as insurance for their purchasing power. This guide is part of the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. 8 resources, including the digital dollar report and company integrity checklist, designed to help you understand how precious metals can safeguard your retirement. I've linked this one in the description. If you want to see exactly how gold can help protect your savings from inflation and economic shifts, grab the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's straightforward, packed with historical insights, and built to help you make informed, confident investment decisions. The link's in the description.